Students, here is a problem of joint probability distribution. A bank operates both a drive-up facility and a walk-up window on a randomly selected day. Let x equals to the proportion of time that the drive-up facility is in use, at least one customer is being served or waiting to be served, and y equals to the proportion of time that the walk-up window is in use. Then the set of possible values of xy is the rectangle D equals to xy, x less equals to 1 greater equals to 0, y less equals to 1 greater equals to 0. Suppose that the joint PDF of xy is given by f of xy equals to 6 by 5 x plus y square, x less equals to 1 greater equals to 0, y less equals to 1 greater equals to 0, and f of xy is 0 otherwise. Verify that this is a legitimate PDF. Number 2, find the probability that neither facility is busy more than 1/4 of the time. Number 3, find the probability distribution of busy time of the driver facility without reference to the wake up window. And number 4 is find probability when y less equals to 3 by 4 greater equals to 1 by 4. The first question is that you have to verify that this is a legitimate PDF. So here f of xy is 6 by 5 x plus y square. When x less equals to 1 greater equals to 0 and y less equals to 1 greater equals to 0. Now to verify that this is a legitimate PDF, we have to show that this equals to 1. So in this case, the left hand side is is 0 to 1, the limit 0 to 1, and f of xy is 6 by 5 x plus y square dx dy. So if you do the integration 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 6 by 5 x dx dy plus 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 6 by 5 x plus y square dx dy. So this is 6 by 5 x and integration of dy is y, and 0 to 1, that is 1. So this is 0 to 1 dx plus similarly Similarly, 0 to 1, 6 by 5, y cube by 3, y cube by 3, that is 1 by 3 dx. So this is 6 by 5 x square by 2, and for x square that is 1, and this is x, integration of this is x, so this is 6 by 15. This is 3 by 5 plus 3 by 2 by 5, so 3 plus 2, 5 by 5, that is 1. So it is verified. Next we have to find the probability that neither facility is busy more than 1/4 of the time. So that is probability of when x less equals to 1/4 greater equal to 0 and y less equals to 1/4 greater equals to 0, and this can be written as 0 to 1/4, 0 to 1/4, 6/5 x plus y square dx dy. Now do this integration. That is 6/5, 0 to 1/4, 1/4 x dx dy plus 6/5, 0 to 1/4, 0 to 1/4 y square dx dy. So 6/5, this is x square by 2, so y, first if you do the y, then 1/4 to 1/4, and then x square by 2 to 1/4 plus 6/5, and this one is first you have to do for y cube by 3, y cube by 3, that is y cube 1/4 cube into 1/3 and x 0 to 1/4. So if you do this calculation, you will get 7/640. Next question is that find the probability distribution of busy time for the driver facility without reference to the walk-up window. So this is actually you have to find the marginal PDF. The marginal PDF formula, let me give the marginal PDF formula. Fxx is minus infinity to infinity f of xy dy for x less than infinity greater than minus infinity, and fyy, this is minus infinity to infinity f of xy dx when x less than y less than infinity greater than minus infinity. So we have to find for this density function. Let us find the marginal PDF of x, that is f x x. This is 0 to 1, 6/5 x plus y square dy. So if you do this integration, you will get 6/5 x plus 2/5. In this case, x less equals to 1 greater equals to 0. Now you have to find the marginal PDF of y. So fyy is 0 to 1, 6/5 x plus y square dx If you do this integration, you will get 6 by 5 y square plus 3 by 5 and y less equals to 1 greater equals to 0. These conditions you have to write. So number 3 question is over. Next question is this one. Next question is number 4. Find probability when y less equals to 3 by 4 greater equals to 1 by 4. So probability when y less equals to 3 by 4 greater equals to 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 to 3 by 4, 1 by 4 to 3 by 4, f of y dy. So this is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, f of y, that is 6 by 5 y square plus 3 by 5 dy, and if you do this integration you will get 37 by 80. So these are the answers.